2026 Honda Civic continues its legacy as one of the most trusted and best-selling compact sedans in America. Here at Drive AZ, we're diving into why this latest model might just be the smartest buy of the year. Starting at an estimated $25,000 USD, the 2026 Civic delivers a well-balanced mix of performance, efficiency, and next-gen tech, all packed into a sleek, refined design. From the outside, Honda has given the Civic a subtle but sophisticated refresh. The front fascia now has sharper lines and a more aggressive grille, with LED headlights that bring a more premium look. The profile remains aerodynamic and sporty, with just enough edge to keep it youthful, yet mature. New alloy wheel designs and fresh color options give it a standout presence, while the rear has been cleaned up with integrated tail lights and a simplified bumper design. Under the hood, Honda sticks with its tried-and-true 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine pushing 158 horsepower. It's not about speed here, it's about smooth, efficient driving. For those who want a bit more punch, the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine returns with 180 horsepower and impressive torque. Both are paired with Honda's continuously variable transmission, tuned for smoother acceleration and improved fuel economy, now reaching up to 42 mpg on the highway. Inside, the 2026 Civic feels far more upscale than its price suggests. Honda's focus on minimalism continues with clean lines, quality materials, and a refined dashboard layout. A 9-inch touchscreen now comes standard on most trims, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The new Civic also boasts upgraded sound insulation, making the cabin quieter than ever. Add to that the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking, all standard. Space is generous for a compact car, with ample rear legroom and trunk space that beats many competitors. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just running errands, the Civic adapts seamlessly. Honda continues to prove that value doesn't mean compromise. The 2026 Civic builds on a formula that just works: affordable, stylish, efficient, and reliable. For around $25,000 USD, you're getting one of the most complete small cars on the market today. Here at Drive AZ, we think the 2026 Honda Civic is more than just a car. It's a smart decision on four wheels.